Hello, everyone. Welcome to WealthWise Hub, your trusted source for financial wisdom and empowerment. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey towards financial success. In this channel, our mission is clear. We're here to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions, secure your financial future, and achieve your money goals. In this inaugural video, we're laying the groundwork by diving deep into the significance of financial education. Financial education is empowerment. Financial education isn't just about dollars and cents, it's about mindset. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and making well-informed decisions that align with your life goals. Confidence in your financial journey. When you invest in your financial education, you're investing in yourself. You'll gain the confidence to navigate financial challenges, seize opportunities, and create the life you desire. Avoiding common pitfalls. One of the key benefits of financial education is that it equips you with the knowledge to avoid common money mistakes. You'll learn to steer clear of financial pitfalls that can sabotage your progress. The power of planning. Financial education also emphasizes the importance of planning. We'll delve into topics like budgeting, saving, and setting financial goals to ensure you're on the right path. Here's what's exciting about WealthWise Hub. We're committed to delivering practical insights, actionable tips, and proven strategies that will empower you on your financial journey. Now it's your turn. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with our valuable financial content that can transform your financial life. Thank you for joining us on this voyage to financial wisdom. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we can't wait to share more valuable insight and success stories with you. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay financially savvy. Connect with us on social media for bonus content, updates, and even opportunities to participate in future discussions.